Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me.
All right, I'm back at the warehouse. 3 months in Europe's done. Stock arrived a few days before I got home, so I've got a full warehouse. Gonna have to get some racking before Black Friday because I'm gonna do another order before then. But I've got about 930 pre-orders to pack. I came in yesterday, spent a whole day here, and I got through I think there was 925, and at the moment in Shopify it says there's 690 to go. So I did just over 200 yesterday, and I want to get them all out by Monday. Hopefully get a bit of help to get some more out. Hopefully today I can knock out another 200-300. But yeah, I want to get them all out as quickly as possible because yeah, some customers have already been waiting a month, so they're keen to get it. But yeah, I'm not going to be traveling for at least until after Black Friday. So yeah, I just want to show what I'm up to work-wise, what the setup looks like here, what I'm doing for Black Friday, what my targets are. I don't know if I'm going to document what my targets will be and, how I'm planning everything from, ad spend to creatives to fulfillment to stock. And yeah, I guess, I don't know. I've got a target this year. I don't know. It seems crazy to me, but I don't know. I feel like we can do it. So I'm going to document it anyway. Don't know if I'll post it, but we'll see what happens. If I hit it, then, I'll probably post it. But I'll probably post it anyway because I'm actually keen to see what the difference will be in target and in comparison to what I actually hit this Black Friday. All right, so this is all the orders packed yesterday. Some over there in boxes now because I ran out. And then I got some in boxes here. And some over there. But that's the setup. That's where I pack orders. And then we come around here. I print the orders. I'm gonna get racking in soon and get a proper setup. But I only moved into this warehouse just before I went away to Europe, so I haven't actually spent much time in here. And yeah, this is the setup at the moment. No racking, just boxes everywhere. Hopefully this will be empty within the next couple of weeks. So this is 80% of the pre-orders packed, ready to go out. Benny just came and picked up some. There was a few more around here, but they're all gone. Got about 250 left. So I'm going to start doing these videos weekly now and just sort of show what I get up to throughout the week. Photo shoots, especially with Black Friday coming up. So we've got the shoot tomorrow. My photographer, Sully, sorted the location and the models. He always nails it. He's a legend. So we're going to the Big Drift, which is in Wilson's Prom. Haven't been before, but I've wanted to go for a while now, actually. It looks insane down there. There's these huge sand dunes. So the photos we get tomorrow should come up Mickey Mouse. It takes about 2 hours to get there from here. So we're going to leave it 9:30, meet everyone at 12. And yeah, I think we park and then it's a 20-minute walk to the dunes from there. So it should be good. But yeah, I want to do one of these videos a week, just sort of recapping what I get up to, especially with Black Friday coming up. It's going to be busy. I've got new products coming in for summer, and I just placed my biggest order ever for this Black Friday. So that was scary, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I've forecasted correctly and I can sell all the stock and fit it in my warehouse. But yeah, I'm going to continue steaming these and I'll see you tomorrow when it's time to head to the Big Drift. Alright, so at the warehouse now. Shoot was cancelled today, unfortunately, because the weather is shit as. It's raining and in a huge sand dune that wouldn't be a good photo shoot, especially with the wind as well. So we've had to postpone. Hopefully, the weather coming up just looks really average. And the next good day looks like in a week's time. But even then, we're sort of unsure if we should schedule it for then. One of the models can't actually do next Monday anyway, so we've either got to find a new model or schedule it for the 29th of September when she's available again. So that sucks, but I think Sully is going to sort out a backup plan for the shoot in case the next time we go to do it, that the weather doesn't permit. We've got a backup plan so that we don't have to cancel it. Yeah, so got another photo shoot on Wednesday, just locked that in to do all the flat lays and like e-com shots for the website, which will be good, get that done. And then, yeah, but today I'm just gonna pack all these orders. There's not many at the moment because we've run out of stock basically. There's a small amount of stock left, but I'm on pre-order. So most of the orders are pre-orders, which is kind of good because don't have to pack them until the stock arrives. You can pack them all in one go and then that's sort of it. But I guess would obviously rather not be on pre-order and have stock here because obviously that means less people want to wait for their order, seeing as it's going to arrive late October. But sorry, not late October, early October. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, gonna pack these and that's it. I'll keep you updated.
Although I don't know which way I will go, in the wind I will blow like ashes. When I lose control, it consumes my soul, then sets me on fire in your name.
Good, Mum. Let's go. Warehouse is all cleared up for the racking, which is going in Thursday. So picking the racking up from Oakley tomorrow, it'll be uninstalled and then brought here. So it can be installed and this will be full. Ready for all the stock that are coming, so it's gonna be good as. Can't wait. Let's go.
I'm like a knee with the bones missing. I'm like a bone but with no gristle. I'm like a shooter but with no pistol. I suppose I glows, but who knows? If it snows, then I'm froze. Those hoes can't expose me. I'm down in the gutter but cozy. I'm down.
So got the racking in. Guys were here today installing it, and yeah, they uninstalled all of it in Oakley yesterday. So yeah, it's going to be huge. Got a heap of stock coming early October, and then the other half of the order is coming late October, just in time for Black Friday. So yeah, it's good to have a proper setup now. It's empty at the moment, but actually worked out well, so I could set all this up just before the stock gets here. But should be full very soon, which is exciting. Also, pretty scary at the same time because I've got a shitload of stock coming. But hopefully, can sell it all over Black Friday. But we'll keep you updated with that. Yeah, so we got a photo shoot tomorrow with, Sully. We got the e-com shots here, which we'll do in front of this white backdrop paper that I just set up. And then we're going to head to Wilson's Prom, as I mentioned before, to do, the location shots. So this is our third time lucky. We were supposed to do this 2 weeks ago, but bad weather in Melbourne stopped us from doing that. So it's been cancelled twice. Fingers crossed the weather pulls through tomorrow. It looks okay. I think it's going to be like 14 with a bit of sun. So yeah, hopefully we can get some sick shots. So yeah, I'll see you here tomorrow when we're getting the photos for the new colours and the sweats. And yeah.
Ashes.
Although I don't know which way I will go.
How you doing down there?
Wind and sand everywhere. What do I expect?
This sets me on fire in your ashes. On ashes.
All right, so I'm back from the photo shoot at Big Drift. It was an absolute mission getting out there, but it was worth it, and everyone killed it. Sully actually just sent me some previews before, and the photos look insane. I'll put a few up on the screen now to show you. But yeah, I'm back at the warehouse now. All the racking's in. I've put some stock away, and it's all starting to come together. I showed you what it looked like before I put the racking in, so I'll show you what it looks like with the racking in now. All right, so this is your walk in. Got the packing bench here, all the satchels and mailers. Got a small bay here that I can use to store a couple pallets and some stock. And we got all this racking. So this shelf and this shelf will be for hand picking stock, and then above will be for pallet storage. I'm gonna take that home, that desk. Don't know what I'll put in that corner, but yeah, it's kind of a dead space to move it, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. Then we got the new little kitchen and office setup. Got the computer here and printer. Got more racking here. And that's about it. More racking down here. With the walkie stacker there. It is tight using this walkie stacker in here. Super tight, but I have to make do with it for now. But yeah, that's it. Gonna put the before and after because I remember taking a video like this. Same with this. That's it. So this should be full next week. But yeah, that's it. Super stoked with how it turned out. There's been no travel in this video, but I'm actually heading to Bali in just under 2 weeks with Luxury Escapes to work with them again. Only going for a week, but I'm going with my brother and sister, Geordie and Chloe, so I'm super keen for that. Yeah, so the next vlog will be one in Bali. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and yeah, cheers.